Hello everyone, welcome to appse demo session. In today's session, we are going to discuss a common scenario that retailers often face in their businesses. So often we see when retailers sync the customer data, they face issue with duplicate records, and then the marketing team has to struggle with the data of the customer, and hence some issues occur. It takes a lot of time to reach to their targets. So today I'll be showcasing a workflow demonstration which will be removing all the duplicate customer records, and the sync will be proper between the integration scenarios. So let's proceed with the demonstration. Okay, so this is the appse workflow platform where we are going to build our workflow. So previously I have already created I will show you the credential for Lightspeed and Shopify both. So we are going to use this credential, and the customers can use their credential if you want in the configure way. So I'll go to the workflow page and we'll quickly create this. We'll first select Shopify node, and we are going to select the credential which we are going to use. Then we are going to fetch the customers. So let me fetch the new customer created trigger. Here you can filter based on the date time. So I'll be selecting this, and limit you can put as per your requirement. So if we run this, we'll get the data from the date we have given and the limit based on which our data, you can see here 8 items are fetched based on the date time. Now if we go and we want to create a duplicate check, so we'll go to Lightspeed and select the created credential, and here we are going to fetch the get a customer action. So here we are doing the duplicate check by fetching the customer details. So in Shopify, in the metafill section, we have created, you can see, one Lightspeed cast ID custom field. So the value we are going to map here, which we are going to store. Now if we go and continue and run this, this will execute with the flow. After that, we are going to put a decision node based on which we are going to perform the duplicate check. So let me just configure this using this field value, and then we are going to check with the Shopify ID. So here we are going to put the duplicate check like this. Now I have already configured the workflow, which I'm going to explain and quickly run and show you that how easily we can avoid any duplicate record and directly sync the customer details. So first, before executing this workflow, I want to go to Shopify and show you that I have created a customer which is newly created in Shopify. And here you can see the details of the customer that is being displayed. So this customer is not there in Lightspeed. We are going to sync that. And if we go and directly run the flow, we are going to get the details synced. Now I'll explain the flow. First, we have fetched, as you have seen, the customers which are created in Shopify. Then we have checked in Lightspeed whether those customers are already existing in Shopify. Then we have checked with the ID, so there is no duplicate record. And if it does not exist, then it will create a customer and sync back that ID. And if it is already existing, then along with that ID which is already created, it is going to update the customer details. So the sync is done. Now if we go to Lightspeed and quickly refresh this and show you, you will see that the new customer has got synced. So let me find this. Yeah, here you can see the new customer has got synced. Here we have stored the ID in the custom field, which you can see, which we will be referring for the duplicate check. So this is all the details about the customer in the account. If we go, here we can see this details. This phone number, everything has got synced along with the address. So that's all, where we can see that the records have got synced without any issue and without any error. So stay tuned for some more videos.